welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of something that I've been wanting for a while now. I don't know if you guys have seen my what I want for Christmas, last year's edition, the 2020 edition, but one of the things that I wanted and listed on that list was the PRADA Monolith leather and nylon lug sole combat boots. Hopefully I said that correctly. But yeah, so guess what? I got them. Now, I didn't purchase them. My boyfriend gifted them for me for our anniversary in August. So they've just been sitting in my closet collecting dust because it's now October, because I've been waiting for the fall to wear them and for me to get my fits together for it, okay? Because these boots, these bad boys are statement pieces, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and get the specs of this boot out the way. So like I said, this is the PRADA Monolith, hopefully I'm saying it right, Monolith leather and nylon lug sole combat boots. I got the color black. They do come in white as well. The black pair retails for $1,420, so $1,420, and the white pair retails for $1,390. So the white pair is a little less expensive than the black pair. I mean, it's not that big of a difference in price, but you know, they're a little less expensive. So yeah, so quick backstory. We went to Atlanta to celebrate our anniversary. We went to the mall because he was like, oh, I have to pick up your gift. And I'm like, okay. We walked to the PRADA store. We go inside the PRADA store. I already knew what it was as soon as we walked into the PRADA store. And I guess he had, ordered them offline and then chose to pick up when we got there. So yeah, that was interesting. I did record like a slight video of us, like of him paying for it or something like that, or us picking up the package in the PRADA store. If I still have it, I'll insert it now, insert the clip now. But yeah, so let's get into the unboxing. So I did not get it shipped to my house, so I'm not sure if you do choose to, like, I don't know, if you don't have the PRADA store in your city or nearby, or your PRADA store does not have your size or something like that and you have to get it shipped. I'm not sure if it will be shipped like this, but this is how I received it from picking it up in store. So it comes in this bag right here, the PRADA bag right here. And you know, the PRADA bag has the logo and stuff on it. It's on the front and it's on the back. Very nice quality bag. Okay, and then inside of the bag, obviously, is the shoes in the box. So the box feels so good. It is this baby blue, and of course it has the PRADA logo on it. It's a super huge box because the boots are pretty big. So, open it up. So inside of the box has PRADA all over it. Once you open the box up, it has the paper that conceals the boots. With the PRADA logo on there, of course, once again. Okay, and inside are the boots. So let me show you guys. And these are the boots. They are so cute, y'all. They are so freaking cute. Yeah. They look like, so they legit look just like combat boots. Dijon was like, when he saw them in person, he was like, these legit look like, because he was in the Navy. He's a veteran now, but He's like, these legit look like the boots I had to wear to work every day. He's like, these are legit the boots I had to wear on the boat when I used to work. But I was like, oh, so what? Thank you. Thank you. I don't care. But yes, so this is what the front looks like. They have a really thick sole. They do have laces that you use, like they actually work. They're not just there for decoration. And then you see like the clasp of the pouch, right? Now this pouch can be taken out. I know that some people take the pouch off, and hold on, I kind of don't want to take it off, but I will. I know some people take the pouch off and like put it on their wrist and stuff. Like I probably would never do that. But you just unbuckle it and pull it through to take it off. Now I'm not gonna pull it all the way through, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like without the pouch. It just looks like this. To me, it kind of like takes away from the whole look of it being a Prada boot. Like, I don't know. It's okay, but I definitely will always wear mine with the pouch. I did get these in a size 7.5, which is 37.5 in European sizes. So on the sides, it's nylon, like almost like their bags, like the re-edition bags and stuff like that. I do have a bag, but to match this, but it is nylon on the side. The rest of the boot is leather, but on the sides it is nylon. And now you can clearly see the shoelaces, and you know, you can lace them up even higher, going crisscross if you desire, but I probably won't. And yes, so inside, okay, wait, I don't know if you can see, but inside, you know, they have the paper in there. There's more paper down there. Oh my God, wish she would shut up. Anyway, okay. So these are the laces right here. On the tongue of the shoe, it does say Prada Milano. And on the inside of the shoe, it says Prada as well. So yes, let me buckle it back up. I hope I'm giving you enough detail, because I love to watch like unboxings of things, of items, like expensive luxury items that I want to purchase in the future, just so I know what to look for, like how big it is, what all the details, like if it's a bag, how big it is, what it's gonna look like on me, if I'm 5'5", or you know, stuff like that. So hopefully I'm showing enough detail. I'm not gonna try the boot on right now, but the boot does fit snug. So I do wear a 7 or a 7.5 in all of my shoes pretty much. This does fit. It's a little struggle to put it on, like you have to, what the hell? Anyway, okay, so yeah, my normal size is 7, 7.5 in like pretty much all of my shoes. It is a little sort of a hassle to put these on, only because this leather, like I feel like it'll be easier once, you know, you wear them often, because you know, leather takes time to give. Like you have to like wear the shoe or wear whatever is leather for it to start to feel good, if that makes sense. So if you don't have a narrow foot, this shoe will squeeze your foot. I'm gonna just let you know that now. If you have a fatter foot, this shoe will squeeze your foot. I feel like, I mean, I have a pretty narrow foot. I have a pretty narrow foot, and it kind of squeezes mine just a tad. They're not uncomfortable to where I'm like, oh my God, I gotta take these mugs off. But I also have not worn them besides just trying them on. So I can't really tell you guys yet if that's gonna happen, like if they're gonna really hurt my feet or not. I probably could have got a size 8 in these just because, but I just feel like it's just because of the leather. Like once I wear them enough, the leather will give and then it will start to feel more comfortable. But yeah, I'm just ready to wear these mugs. And yesterday was the very first day that it actually gave fall vibes. Like it was the fall weather and everything. No rain, no heat, just the perfect amount of sun, like, you know. Anyway, so this does have like a little tab back here you can put your finger through to help put the boot on and stuff like that. It is a leather strip right here next to the nylon siding of the boot, and the bottom back part does say Prada. This is the other side, and this is the front once again, and this is the other side. And now this pouch is functionable, so let me unzip it really quickly. Okay, so like I said, this pouch is functionable. There is a little clasp at the very bottom. I'm gonna unclasp it, and you could just take the pouch. Hold on. Yeah, you could take the pouch right off. Once again, they make it a little difficult to do so, but you just pull it through. Hold on. Okay. So now this is what the boot looks like with just the strap, no pouch. All right. So this is the pouch. Right here is legit just like their bags with the pouches. So the zipper has Prada Milano on it. It's silver. It also has like this like keychain holder thing, and it also says, wait, does it? Yeah, it says Prada right here. And this is the little clasp thing I was talking about that you just put on the boot. So you can just unzip it. Hold on. Unzip it. So when you unzip it, you can put things in it. Like I don't know what you would put in it. Like maybe you're going to a game or something, like a football game or something, or a game, whatever. I don't know. And you don't want to carry a purse, or you know you can't really carry like a big purse. You have to carry like a little crossbody. And now these game places be like you have to have a clear bag. Who really wears clear bags like that? But anyway, so then maybe you want to put like your lip gloss or some cash or a card or something in here, or ID or something. But yeah, inside it does have the Prada Milano logo. And yeah, so that's that. Okay. So overall, these are the Prada boots, combat boots. I absolutely love them. Let me know in the description box, not in the description box. I will have the links in the description box for you to get them. Oh, I didn't show you guys the very bottom, the soles. So these are the soles. It does say Prada, and it does say, I can't even read this. Oh, it says extra light, whatever that means. I mean, the boot isn't heavy. The boot is not heavy, so maybe that's what they mean. So it does say Prada, and it say extra light, and these are the soles. So yeah. But yeah, these are the Prada combat boots. I will have the links in the description box down below if you guys want to purchase. Also, comment down below if you guys have a pair and you love them. How do you like them? Let me know if you want these, like if these are on your wish list. And yeah, I can't wait to buy other things that I can unbox for you guys, because I love watching these type of videos. Also, the quick disclaimer, none of this in this video was to brag or boast or anything like this. I was gifted these. I'm super excited. I put these on my wish list last year, you guys know, so I'm so excited that I got them, like super excited. I cannot wait to wear them. But yeah, so this is just supposed to be a knowledgeable bit, supposed to be a knowledgeable video for people who want to purchase and don't want to spend their money on things they know that they're gonna like. But they can look at my video to see if they will like this or not. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you subscribe whenever I upload. So that you're subscribed whenever I upload. So that you're notified whenever I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Mwah.